In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Microsoft Word document to Google Docs. By the end, you'll have a clean, editable Google Docs version of your file while keeping the original Word document intact. First, open your web browser and head to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your files. Once you're in Drive, look toward the top left and click the New button. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the Word document you want to convert. This will typically be a .doc or .docx file. Select it and start the upload. You'll see a small progress indicator in the bottom corner of Drive. Wait until it says the upload is complete before moving on. If you have a large document or a slower connection, give it a moment to finish. After the upload is done, locate your Word file in Google Drive. If you don't see it right away, check the Recent section or use the search bar. Right-click the uploaded file, hover over Open With, and click Google Docs. This tells Drive to open the Word document in the Google Docs editor. It may take a second to load, especially for longer files or those with images and charts. When it opens, you'll see your content laid out in Google Docs. But at this point, it's still technically the Word version being viewed through Docs. To complete the conversion, go to the File menu in the Google Docs window and choose Save as Google Docs. This creates a new, fully editable Google Docs copy of your document. Your original Word file remains unchanged in Drive, and now you'll have a separate Google Docs version sitting alongside it. A quick way to tell them apart is that the Google Docs file won't have a doc or docx extension and will show the Google Docs icon. If you want to keep things organized, you can move the new file into a folder or rename it for clarity. Take a moment to scan through your converted document. Most formatting carries over well, but complex layouts, custom fonts, or certain tracked changes may look slightly different. If you notice anything off, adjust it directly in Google Docs. From here, you can collaborate, add comments, and share the file without needing any additional software. And remember, if you ever need a Word version again, you can download it from Google Docs later without affecting your original files.